Okay, hey everybody, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com, and it's October 2nd. I want to look at Palomar Holdings here. It's an insurance company. They do specialty property, personal and commercial property insurance. Okay, so um, the company has some smoking hot fundamentals. We'll look at those real briefly. I'm not going to turn this into a tutorial, but I'll tell you how I kind of found this stock because I'll do some searches. I have a lot of scans based on a combination of fundamentals and technicals. I have several lists over on StockWatch, which is a tool that I have for our members to find these various stocks that I think are poised to continue to move higher. And Palomar is one of them. You can see if you're looking at it here, you're not exactly late or you're not exactly early. However, I like the way this stock has been kind of drifting sideways here. It's hit the 50-day and bounced. It even kind of ran above it here. So really in July is the first time where it broke through the 50. It bounced off the 50 here. It bounced here and didn't even get to the 50, came down to the 50 here and it bounced. Okay, now yesterday, stock hit the 50 and closed below it, but today gapped down a little bit and then traded higher and it's back above it. So I look at this and I feel like this could be a pretty good opportunity to start a position in a stock and have it be pretty low entry, low risk. You know, you're buying it here and you can have you put a stop really, really tight if you want to, or maybe put it below this intraday low here of 91.14, back when it hit the 50 before. And so you're buying it here. You got your stop down here. That's 4%. If you want to give it that much room to run, however you want to do it. But I'll show you what I see on Market Surge here. Okay, I personally like the TC 2000 charts better. They just kind of, I've been looking at them for 35 years, for a long time. But this totally does the job too. So you see the pivot points here. This is right back down to the top of this pivot point. So it's kind of at a good pullback buy entry. But if you look at these three rows along the bottom, earnings, sales, and gross margins, these numbers are compared to the same quarter of the prior year. And so, for example, earnings, like back in September 2023, they jumped up 156% at 92 cents, 156% higher than the prior September 2022. You see what I mean? So this is the current number. 111, 109, 125. Okay, this is the current number. And then compared to the same quarter the prior year is what we have here on these. So you can see 156% jump from here up to here, a 35% jump from here up to here, a 36% jump from here up to here, a 45% jump from here up to here. That's the same quarter in 2023. So we like to see all green stuff. We like to see double digits, and that's what we're seeing here. So this has got a really, really strong fundamental profile. Accumulation distribution rating, a B minus. That's fine with me. It means institutions are buying the stock. Growth rate, 3 to 5 years, 36%. Guys, it's a flipping insurance company. An insurance company that's growing 36% annually, I'll take that. I'm surprised Warren Buffett hasn't bought this thing. So then, though, we look at the weekly chart, and now you can see graphically this earnings line here throughout the years, and we're still getting a nice little. This is in sync with the price. Really nice run higher in earnings, nice run higher in price. So I'm looking at this stock, frankly, as you could look at it as a trade. You can totally look at it as a trade, buy it here and look to sell it when it comes up here or something. But I think it's a stock that you could actually start building a position in, certainly trade around some stuff, but maybe just tuck a few shares away and save it for a rainy day. Hopefully not too much rain, because then you'll have to file an insurance claim. And I'm not sure if you've got it with Palomar or not. So anyway, I don't even know why I said that. So that's all I got for you today. Members, I have some really, really good charts for you to be looking at. And surprisingly, we've got some that are really in pretty solid buy points. One other point to everyone else, if you're not a member, I really want you, I'm inviting you to check it out. We're getting new members all the time, which means that I'm hearing a lot of good things from new members because they're learning and I was going to say they're learning and they're earning, but that's a cheesy, mad money, stupid thing. Let's just say they're learning and they're learning how to make money. And that's what it's all about. So check it out, man. Worst thing that can happen to you is you don't like it. And then you'll be no worse off than you are right now. Okay. I will see you all on the backside. I mean, you know what I mean.